Lisa, always right here. Don't ever let it go, okay? You can let this hand go if you need to.
All right, we're going to practice. I'm going to call 2 strokes forward, and I want you to paddle 2 strokes forward. Ready? 2 strokes forward. 1, and 2. Very good. Oh, that's the backward stroke, man.
There you go.
That's what we get. And give me 2 strokes forward, please. There we go. 1, 2. Perfect. All right, let's get backwards 2 strokes. Is that for demonstration? 1 and 2. Awesome. Now there's one tiny thing before we get out on the water. This is incredibly important, okay? We have to give them a name.
Oh, Nemo.
Titanic.
Titanic.
Titanic?
We're taking on water today. We are taking on water.
Gilligan driving the Titanic.
Real quick, I want everybody to, the 2 feet in the front, you're my pace setters, okay? You're going to be paddling at the same time as each other. So when I call out strokes, just make sure you're doing it at the same time. Everybody else just follow the person directly in front of you. That way we're going to look like a terrifying Viking ship. Titanic will go down. Don't paddle at the same time, we're going to look like a drunk spider.
So we follow suit in the front. Yep. They paddle, we paddle.
Other people, you just worry about the person in front, not let it paddle. That's always fun. Yeah, that'd be really good.
Always keep your hand on the T-grip, okay? Huh? Yeah. I'm getting on the crack. I got my crack on the crack.
All right, is everybody ready? Guys, we're going to do a nice relaxing flow today. We're going to try and keep everybody dry. I'll point out all the...
You're so lying. Wait.
It's going to be a nice relaxing flow. We're going to stay dry.
Sure.
No, I'm in behind Billy. We're sharing a party. Yeah. All right, we're kind of sandwiching here, but if you can, go ahead and give me 2 strokes forward. You should go out behind me.
Right here.
All right, go 3 strokes forward, please. 1, and 2.
I'll learn it for you. Sorry. I've never done this.
Do what I did.
Like 4 or 5 times.
I've never.
All right, let's go 2 strokes forward, please.
1.
Very good. Let's go 3 strokes forward. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Will.
The water.
David's pulling out now.
This is with my paddle. Already taking in a lot of water.
So please make sure all your feet are locked in properly. Your hands are on your
You in, Tuck? Okay.
It starts pretty quick here. Let's go forward 2. And give me 2 more. Now right after this rock, there's a little wave. I like to call that wave wake up call. Woohoo!
Whoa!
Good job. Good job, kid. I barely got one.
Well, that's what we got. So that's what I have done.
All right, let's get 3 strokes forward. 1, 2, and 3. All right, when I say all forward, that means we're going to paddle to the bottom. It's our first class 3 called Powerhouse. All forward!
Woo!
Keep going, guys. Keep paddling.
Paddle with Anthony. Paddle with Anthony.
All right, hold right there. Very, very good.
Not.
Hey, Emma. Let's go forward 2 strokes.
1.
Fun fact, that was called Powerhouse. They actually named it after me.
Wah, wah, wah.
The powerhouse that's right
No, it's a coincidence.
You know what they told me?
Big rock.
Big rock. Now as we go past this rock, if you look right behind it, there's a little rock. What do you think we call the little rock?
Little rock.
We call it Arkansas.
Ah! Woo woo!
All right, let's go forward one. All right, this is our second Class 3 rapid. It's called Full of Water Ledge. We're still trying to figure out why.
What'd you say it was called?
Full of Water Ledge.
Oh, okay.
Let's go all forward. Keep paddling, keep paddling. We got a little bit more of this. Keep going, guys. And hold there. Very, very good.
Oh yeah.
I'm still in the boat. Y'all looking.
Why look, you know.
They're looking to see if I'm still in the boat. Started racing on the boat. Stay in the boat.
I'm glad you're still here, Lisa.
I am. Don't worry.
Yeah.
All right, this little rock here on our left is called Razor Rock.
Last time we rafted through you guys, it rained the entire day. It was fantastic.
Oh, it's the best.
I know.
Rafting rain. This is called Aftershave. We're just gonna turn the boat a bit.
God, yeah, there you go.
Great, because I wasn't totally wet yet.
Let's go forward 2 strokes. Let's go forward 2.
Now forward the wrong way, right? Which way is forward?
Tree limb.
Let's go forward 1. One more. One more. Hold on. Let's get forward 2. Forward 2. And let's do backwards 2. Back 2. Oh, hold there. We're good. We're good.
My crack got wet.
Nice.
Could have saved that.
My foot's about in it, so it should be all right.
Let's go forward
Ew.
1. Hey Emma, what are you going to make this river? What are you going to make this river?
Oh, nice.
Alright guys, just to let you know, if you take your paddles and you slap the top of the water, it's going to give you the best amount of tack. You might want to use it
Okay.
right now. Go! Alright.
I think we won.
Alright, we'll get a rematch. Trust us.
How many times a day do you come out?
This is my 3rd trip today. That was the last one. I don't even know if it's possible to do 4 trips a day on here. I mean, nothing he's died over the last trip.
Right?
But the 3 trips we have are super fun.
He's doing great. in, Kim.
Let's go forward two.
So, Mom, what were you saying about being on the front?
What? You don't get wet up front. Sucker.
Like the log ride. Log ride.
Uh-oh.